I have a patient that came in today by the name of Angelica Pickles. Her birthday is 04/06/2010. Her diagnosis was a sore throat and a fever. Dr. Who has prescribed her penicillin G, 250,000 units IM, 1 dose. It is stamped for today, time stamped now. I'm going to check the MAR, make sure that the medication dosing is correct, and then I'm going to go talk to my patient and her mom. Going into the MAR, penicillin. It looks like this is for 5 million units and this is 250,000. So we are going to have to do some med math. So we want it to be able to be in a 3 milliliter syringe, and due to her age, the smaller the dose, the better. So what we do know is that for 1 ml is 5 million units, and what he was given was 250,000 units over 1. The reason that we are doing this is because we need it. It is in units right now, and we need it in milliliters. So then I'm going to cross out my units, and then it's going to be 250,000 over the 500,000. Then I'm going to divide that, and it's going to be 0.5 milliliters. So we are going to fill this up to 0.5 milliliters when we give this medication. First, I'm going to go discuss with the patient and her mom to make sure that this is okay course of treatment and to see if they have any questions or concerns. I'm going to put this back in the MAR. I'm going to log out and go introduce myself to my patient. I'm going to pull the curtain for privacy. Hi, Angelica. How are you doing today? Not too well. Alright, you have a sore throat? Okay. Is this your mom here with you? Okay. Alright. So I'm just going to take a listen, just see what your lungs sound like, okay? Okay. And then can you open up? Okay. Alright. So, Mom, Dr. Who has prescribed her penicillin G. It's going to be an antibiotic that's going to go in her arm, and it's going to help relieve that sore throat and fever. Okay? Alright. Do you have any questions, Miss Angelica? Okay. How old are you, hon? Alright. Good. 04/06. Do you know what year you were born? Okay, good. Alright. So, do either of you have any questions? What are some of the side effects? Of course, so she could have an allergic reaction, but on her thing, she doesn't have any allergies, correct? Okay, so that is still correct. She could have rash or itching, hives sometimes. Her throat could swell a little bit from this antibiotic. But this is going to help with that bacteria that's in her sore throat, causing her sore throat. It's going to take that sore throat and that fever away, hopefully. Okay? Alright. I'm going to go get that, and then I will be right back. Do you guys have any other questions or concerns? Alright. I'm going to go grab my supplies. Here's your towel and your water, and I will be back, okay? Alright, I'm going into my mark. I'm going to grab my penicillin. It's my penicillin. I'm going to open my I'm going to pull up, have the air. First, I'm going to put the cap back on, and I'm going to mix up the medication. Okay. Take it off. I alcohol swabbed it. Alright. So it is for 0.5 milliliters. Okay. And then I'm going to scoop it back on. Okay, I'm gonna put out the rest. I'm gonna take this in. Okay. Hi, Angelica. Are you still doing okay? Alright, so I do have to poke you. Alright, can you verify your name and date of birth one more time for me? Alright. I'm gonna get into the computer. I'm gonna scan the medication. Scan the medication. Alright. So, and now I need to put this shot into your arm, okay? It's gonna go right up here. We're gonna go from your deltoid, and then we're going to go down, alright? 3 fingers down, right in there, okay? Alright, do you have any questions? No? Okay. Is it okay if Mom holds your hand, or you can sit in her lap while you do that? Okay, cool. Yeah, it's going to be super quick. It might hurt for a second, but the good news is your mom will probably owe you ice cream after. Okay? Alright. Sanitize my hands. I'm going to put on gloves. Alright, can you verify your name and date of birth? And no known allergies? Okay. Alright. Alright. It's okay. Look at Mom. Just hold her hand. Alright. 0.5. I went from the deltoid, 3 fingers down, going in at 90 degrees. Alright. All done. This goes into the sharp container. See, that wasn't so bad, huh? Okay, and then here's the Band-Aid for you, okay? Alright? Alright, you did a great job. Yeah. Alright, now your mom owes you some ice cream. I'm going to sanitize my hand. Going to document that I gave it to Angelica. Gonna log out. Alright, I'm going to take everything out with me. Alright, Miss Angelica, you take care, okay? I'll be back in 30 minutes. Let me know if anything starts to hurt, okay? Or if your sore throat doesn't go away. Alright? Okay. Alright. Thank you, Mrs. Pickles. Let me know if you guys need anything.